what's going on? Hello, Teddy Boo Boo. In your life, you are having fun and having adventures. Now, you and my jigsaw will kill you. Face it, you're not a great clown. God, I hate chess. Don't you know chess hurts me? Okay, do you have, goldfish? Okay, do you have any fives? Goldfish, go! Well, you're not gonna wait this time. You're supposed to find the... Oh, okay. You mean the 3DS? Oh, beep! You won the game. Now I'm moving on to... I quit. This is terrible. Goodbye, Jigsaw. How do we get out of here? Help! 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 We're stuck in Jigsaw's lair! Help! Help! We can't just get out of here. We need help. Please help us.